Subaru is bringing back the legendary Baja, and the new model is arriving with a starting price of just $20,000. If you have been watching the compact pickup segment grow and wondering when someone was finally going to build one that is genuinely capable, genuinely efficient, and genuinely affordable all at once, this is the vehicle you have been waiting for. This isn't a watered-down comeback. Subaru Baja is going to deliver full mechanical all-wheel drive, class-leading ground clearance, and hybrid fuel economy near 35 miles per gallon in the same package, and that combination is going to wow everybody. Hybrid powertrain. When Subaru built the original Baja, efficiency was not the priority. A naturally aspirated 2.5-liter boxer engine or an optional turbocharged version of the same unit, both were good powertrains for their time, but not suited to what today's market is asking for. Fuel costs are not going anywhere. Emission standards keep tightening. The new Baja is going to answer all of that. Anyone who has owned a gas-only compact truck knows the feeling at the pump after a week of mixed driving. The numbers add up fast. That is exactly the problem Subaru's newly developed parallel hybrid system is going to solve. A 2.5-liter boxer engine modified to operate in the Atkinson cycle will be working alongside an electric motor to produce a combined output of 194 horsepower, more than enough to handle daily driving, loaded hauling, and serious trail work without complaint. Combined fuel economy is projected to land around 35 miles per gallon, a figure no gas-only rival in the segment is going to come near. There is one concern that comes up every time Subaru and electrification are mentioned together. Does the all-wheel drive system survive? With the Baja Hybrid, it does. The mechanical coupling between the axles is staying in place. No electric rear motor is being used as a stand-in for a real differential. That single fact is going to separate the Baja from most electrified competitors right away. A powertrain this capable deserves an equally capable platform underneath it, and the choices Subaru is making there are just as important as anything under the hood. Compact size, excellent maneuverability. The original Baja was Outback-based, which gave it a solid foundation but also pushed it toward a larger footprint than many buyers actually needed. With the new generation, things are pointing in a different direction. There's a strong case, backed by market logic and multiple reports, that the new Baja will be built on the updated Crosstrek platform, sharing proportions, suspension geometry, and key mechanical components with the popular subcompact. Think about how often a full-size or mid-size pickup becomes a liability in daily life. Tight parking structures, narrow streets, driveways that barely fit one vehicle, these are frustrations buyers deal with every week. A Crosstrek-based Baja, coming in or around 170 to 175 inches in overall length, is going to eliminate most of those headaches. It will sit noticeably shorter than even the Ford Maverick, which means easier parking, tighter turns, and far less second-guessing whenever the road narrows. The Baja is going to ride with a refinement level well above what most buyers expect from a pickup at this price point. A compact, maneuverable platform is a strong foundation, but where the new Baja is really going to leave its rivals behind is the moment the pavement disappears entirely. Adventure ready. Compact unibody pickups tend to disappoint once the pavement ends. Most deliver modest all-wheel drive and a marketing claim about outdoor capability that fades quickly when conditions get demanding. The Baja is not going to follow that pattern. Rather than substituting an electric rear motor for real traction hardware, the Baja is going to carry full mechanical all-wheel drive with standard equipment including X-Mode, hill descent control, and active torque vectoring. The same suite already proven across the Crosstrek and Forester lineups. When you are on a wet trail and one wheel loses grip, the difference between a real all-wheel drive system and an electric substitute is not subtle. One reacts through mechanical feedback, the other guesses. The Baja is going to be the one that reacts. Ground clearance is expected to come in at 8.7 inches, sitting well above every other unibody pickup in the segment. No other compact unibody pickup will be able to match what Subaru is putting together here. All of that off-road performance counts for very little if the cabin makes every trip feel like an endurance test, and that is exactly what the Baja is being designed to avoid. Cabin design. The new Baja is not going to make buyers choose between outdoor performance and everyday comfort. 2 full rows of seats are going to be standard, accommodating 4 adults without the cramped rear quarters that make some compact pickups impractical. Rear passenger space, while not class-leading, will handle most real-world use cases without difficulty. Consider the difference between ending a long trail day in a cabin that feels solid versus one that creaks and rattles at every turn. Subaru is not going that route. Materials and build quality are going to reflect what the brand is currently delivering delivering across its SUV lineup. Hard-wearing surfaces, tight assembly, and durability rather than disposability. StarTech's water-resistant upholstery is expected to be available on upper trims, a practical choice for a vehicle that will regularly see muddy boots and wet gear. A large central touchscreen, a digital instrument cluster, and Subaru's full EyeSight driver assist suite are all going to be part of the standard package. A well-built cabin is one thing, but a compact pickup still has to prove it can carry what you need, and this is where the Baja has a genuinely surprising advantage over every rival in the class. Practical solutions. Compact pickups have a cargo problem that does not get talked about enough. The beds are usually too short for anything longer than a few feet of lumber without the tailgate hanging open, and that frustration is one of the most consistent criticisms of models like the Maverick and the Santa Cruz. The original Baja was dealing with this exact issue 2 decades ago and came up with answers that held up remarkably well. A mid-gate panel between the rear seat area and the cargo bed extended effective loading length well beyond the physical bed. A bed extender pushed usable cargo reach even further past the tailgate. Both features are coming back on the new Baja. For anyone regularly hauling bikes, lumber, or a kayak, the returning mid-gate and bed extender are going to deliver cargo versatility that nothing else in the class can replicate. The standard hybrid covers efficiency, and the practical solutions cover utility. But for buyers who want to push the Baja further, there's another version in development that changes the performance conversation entirely. Available Turbo 4. For most buyers, the hybrid is going to be the right pick, but Subaru is also developing a higher output version for those who want more. A turbocharged 2.4-liter flat-4 is going to be available, built on the same architecture already proven in the Outback XT, with outputs expected well above 260 horsepower. That would place the Turbo Baja in a completely different performance league from any other compact pickup in the segment. One detail that keeps surfacing in reports is particularly striking. Some sources are pointing to an available manual gearbox paired with this engine, which would make the Baja one of the very few vehicles in its class to offer a stick shift at any price point. Nothing is confirmed yet, but the reports are consistent enough to take seriously. 2 powertrain options, a purpose-built platform, class-leading off-road hardware, and clever cargo solutions, all of it is compelling. But none of it matters quite as much as the number Subaru is targeting for the price tag. Release date and price. The all-new Subaru Baja is still in early development and no production start date has been announced. Buyers are looking at a wait of at least a couple of years. But when the Baja does arrive, the pricing target is going to be one of the biggest headlines surrounding it. A starting figure right around $20,000 is what is being planned. And at that number, the value case is going to be very difficult to dismiss. Hybrid efficiency near 35 miles per gallon, mechanical all-wheel drive, real off-road hardware, a 2-row cabin, smart cargo solutions, and an available turbocharged engine, all packaged for roughly the price of a modestly equipped compact sedan. That combination has not existed in the American truck market before, and it is going to open the door for a buyer group that has never had a pickup quite like this to choose from. The all-new Subaru Baja is going to arrive with a 194 horsepower hybrid system, projected fuel economy around 35 miles per gallon, class-leading 8.7-inch ground clearance, and the return of the mid-gate and bed extender, an available turbocharged 2.4-liter with over 260 horsepower, and a possible manual gearbox round out a package aimed at buyers who want more. At a starting price of around $20,000, the Baja is shaping up to be one of the most compelling compact pickups the American market has ever seen. But Subaru isn't the only one that sees great potential in this part of the market. Others are preparing their small pickups, and one of the most interesting ones is definitely the new Toyota Hilux Champ. Endless configuration options, genuine body-on-frame construction, and super affordable price are just some of the things that guarantee great commercial success.